If you've ever needed a wheelchair or even a medical bed for your home, you know that these items come at a high cost. That's why two local groups are coming together to help meet the increased demand for medical equipment. Cutter's Resource Closet and Sons of Consolation Ministries are finding solutions and working together.
Candace Garnett knows all too well what it's like to need medical equipment after her brother was in a terrible car accident.
We had to figure out how do we get medical beds, wheelchairs, things of that nature to make sure we can take care of him at home because he didn't have any insurance and it was going to come out of pocket.
She says her mom had heard of Cutter's Resource Closet, once known as Dana's Recovery Room. They provide medical supplies, equipment, and resources to people in need at no cost.
They gave us a wheelchair for him, things that we had been having a hard time trying to get. About a week after that, Cutter called me and was like, hey, I got a bed for your brother, a hospital bed. So it just worked out.
Cutter's Resource Closet is now partnering with Sons of Consolation Ministries, a nonprofit with volunteers who refurbish and repair medical equipment and then distribute it to third-party organizations like hospitals and home health providers.
For everything that they get that they can't use because it needs repaired, we have the ability to repair it and to provide as much equipment as they need. And then they have the ability to get it into people's hands. And ultimately, we can meet the need of more patients that way.
And you at home can be a part of the mission.
It's awareness, letting people know that we're out here and that this is an option. It's support, either volunteering or donating unused supplies or what have you. But then it really comes down to financial donations and contributions or sponsorships and things like that.
Both organizations helping each other help the community with a wider reach together.
It's very important that you have these services. They made me so happy. Me and my mom offered to come help service, with them. So it's rewarding, to say the least.
And medical equipment is definitely needed in our area. If you would like to donate medical supplies, volunteer, or support them financially, we have both of the organizations' information on our website, WRDW.com. We're back after a quick break.